opinions keep my feet firm on the ground. I don't know where the rivers go or what makes them flow. If rivers were blood, now we're in for a flood. I hate to see those rivers grow. I came across an old man, said he didn't understand why he couldn't get on with his brother and his son. I guess that's just the way it goes. Nobody really wants to know. It's hard enough surviving, let alone rising above. I don't know where the rivers go or what makes them flow. If rivers were blood, now we're in for a flood. I hate to see those rivers grow. To get there anyway. You know I won't cut you up. Be sure you do the same. Heaven hates a rich man, but Jesus loves a poor man. I'm looking at you, rich man. You should be ashamed. I don't know where the rivers go. If rivers were blood, now we're in for a flood. I hate to see those rivers grow. I don't know where the rivers go or what makes them flow. If rivers were blood, now we're in for a flood. I hate to see those rivers grow. If rivers were blood, now we're in for a flood. I hate to see those rivers grow.